Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in this video I am going to talk about how to withdraw from Kraken to bank. And let's dive into the main topic. So here actually you can see this is the kraken.com, and here if you want to withdraw any payment from that place, you just need to follow these simple tips. Here you just need to come over here this place and then just click over here, and once you're done here you just need to verify yourself, and then here you will find out the options called portfolio. Just click over here and then you just need to click to the transfer, and here you just need to click on withdraw. Once you click over here withdraw, there is options no asset available yet, that's why we just need to deposit something. So here we have this option called withdraw. Here you just need to click on like withdraw cash or crypto. Here when you click over here, then your plans, like you just need to set up your payment method, bank address or PayPal or Payoneer, whatever you have, then you will allow to withdraw your money through this option. It's so much easy to transfer your money from Kraken to your bank option. So I hope you love this video. If this quick tutorial helped you, then don't forget to subscribe our channel.